All right, so my favorite exercise on this Pilates reformer boards are going to be like working and engaging the hips, the gluteus maximus, the thighs. But overall, you can get a full body workout from this. And it's so nice because it's easy to store these. You can easily take the handles off and store these on top of each other just like that and slide them into a closet or slide them, as you see a bunch of other gym equipment, slide them somewhere simple and pull them out all the time and just not have them in the way. So I love the fact that you're able to do that with these and it's not a huge machine that takes up a lot of space. So if you're, don't have a lot of space, this is perfect for you. To still be able to do all the workouts needed. So another thing about this is you do have the display right here. You can turn this off and on and switch it between the reps, calories, and timer, and then it shows the battery life of this. And it does have some nice little options for you to do that shows you right here on the side. There's also some in the manual as well, but I'm going to show you just a couple. One that I really like to do, which is this one. And you just make sure to engage your core all the way down, hold it for a second, come back. So again, you can work out your whole body doing this, and you don't have to have a lot of space. It's just easy to put this up, store it, and kind of configure it how you want to configure it. Another option would be you're going to connect these right here. I'm going to turn this here to face you. And you can work out your legs. You're gonna hold on here, stand on it, and go apart and in. You can hold it for a couple seconds. So overall, I really like this. I love the space aspect of it, and I love just how you can configure it however you want, and it can be a total body workout. One thing not to forget about this is you can adjust the sizing here depending on height. So shorter, or depending on what you need it for, depending on the style of workout, shorter and higher there, you just push the button in and then lower it and raise it. So again, thanks to company for sending me this to review.